Hello guys, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. So, this is the best time to practice in English in a shiny day. On Christmas Eve, I actually made a plan for record myself in front of camera. But when the day finally came, I jumped out of my bed at 6 a.m., which is unusual for me. Then I continue to stray into my daily routine for learning English. I opened my laptop. I opened my laptop, but my eyes were still heavy. So I considered to lay back again of my bed for a moment. Without realizing it, I woke up at 8:30 a.m. That mean I had to rush to change my clothes and quickly prepare for go to work. And then I step out of my room, headed to the busway stop. I took the bus as I usually do, and after that I arrived at my work after 30 minutes ride. And honestly, since the beginning of the day, Christmas Eve was already on my mind. I knew exactly in December 24th is an important day for Christian, and I'm imagining asking for permission to leave early to my boss. Yeah. And fortunately, my boss understood that, and anyone who's celebrating for the Christmas was allowed to go home early or leave early. I felt really happy and I excited, and I exchanged glance with my friend who also celebrating for the Christmas. But as usual, problem keep getting up. I because I wanted to celebrate for the Christmas Eve, and I knew I had a bit opportunity or a chance to getting a seat in a church, and especially while I was in a bus. And when I got home, I quickly changed my clothes and wore a nice clothes, a nice suit, and I also spray a nice perfume, a bit perfume on my body, and then I straight to the church because the church is is quite close to my place. And luckily, I realized that the Christmas Eve is actually start an hour later than I thought. And when I arrived, I looked around and saw the most of the seats were already taken. And you know that when I arrived, I couldn't get inside of the main chairs because most of the seat inside of the main chairs were already taken. So the priest lead us or guide us to get escape. So get escape which means a hall special for the big event. So for instance, for the Christmas Eve, because the Christmas Eve, uh, usually a lot of people go to the church for worship. So that's the function of the hall. Yeah, I after I took a seat, I wait in a quiet while. I play my phone, and also I look to the people searching for the seat. And after that, I put away my phone, dive into my pocket. So that was the sign the worship had started. I follow the celebration. I follow the Christmas Eve calm and peacefully. I put away my phone deeply inside of my pocket, and because I know the celebration is only happen once in a year, so it means this celebration is supposed to be a deeply spiritualism. After 3 hours, the Christmas Eve services finally ended. And guys, I was really hungry. I didn't bring a snack or a drink. Even I know these eight these services would be a bit long.